Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys my complete website design process as we design a fictional brand. We'll be starting from the brand brief all the way to the complete Figma website design. And in another video, we are going to be building out this website with either Framer or WordPress. So before we get started, please like and subscribe and comment below what platform you would like to see me build this website on. Alright, let's get started. The first step in this project and in most of my website design projects is to understand the client's brief. So I'll be walking you guys through the client brief for this brand so you get an understanding of what the brand is for, their goals, their vision, and their brand personality. The name of this brand is Denim Gen. Denim Gen is a sustainable denim label redefining the future of fashion. They are built on the principles of upcycling denim that are forgotten and giving it a fresh start by combining craftsmanship with modern design. The brand keywords are sustainable, bold, modern, and innovative. And as an upcycled denim store, their site needs to reflect the raw and authentic feel of denim and the forward-thinking innovation of sustainable fashion. So with the brand brief in mind, we are going to be moving to the next stage of my design process. Before jumping right into Figma, I always start with a competitor research. It highlights what have already been overused or overdone, and it sparks inspiration from like layouts, colors, and even subtle animations that we can adapt to elevate our own website. And for Denim Gen, our competitors are brands like Redone and Boyish, who are already established in the sustainable denim space. So our goal is not to copy them, but is to position Denim Gen so that it doesn't just fit in, but it stands out in a crowded market. Once we understand the market, the next stage for my design process is mapping out the content structure. For Denim Gen, the essential pages are the home page to introduce the brand story, shop for products, lookbook to showcase collections in a bold and editorial style, the about page to highlight the brand's sustainability mission. This structure ensures that the site isn't just a store, but is like a platform for community and storytelling. And with this stage completed, we'll be moving on to the next stage. In this stage, the client usually gives us the mood board, but since this is a fictional brand, I built the mood board by myself. And here you can see the photography tone, you can see the bold portraits, the sharp denim style, and the experimental compositions with the images. So for the typography, you can see that I was going for more bold, blocky kind of letters, and I didn't want the brand to feel like subtle and soft. That's why I went for the bold fonts. And if you also look at the layout of the mood board itself, you can see that it's alternating between high fashion, editorial shots to like street style, group photos, close-up textures, and things like that. So now that we have the visuals finalized, we're going to be moving to the next stage. At this stage, it's not about adding colors, it's just trying to build out the structure of the website to know where things go. We're trying to get like the blueprint of the website. And with the wireframes, it lets us test if the experience works, if the structure we are going for works with the fonts that we have chosen and things like that before we commit to adding visuals and adding colors to the main site. So with the wireframe completed, we are going to be moving into the most interesting stage of my design process, which is designing the website. So here's where the magic happens. We transform the wireframe into a high fidelity mockup. We are going to be using the colors that we have agreed on, the images, the fonts, and we'll build the page to make it look exactly like how the wireframe was built out. So guys, we have come to the end of my website design process, and in the next video I'll be building out this page on the platform that you guys chose. So don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below what platform you would like to see it built on. Let us now take a look at the final design.